Hello learners, this is the third video of the 11th module on role and functions of school counselor. Now, we will see the environmental perspective of role and function of school counselor. The learning objective of this video would be analyze the importance of environmental perspective of role and function of school counselor, design a job profile of school counselors based on the learned role and functions of school counselor. School counselor play a role of a mediator in the school system. A counselor functions as a bridge between the subsystems in a larger school system. In this milieu, it is important to understand the role and function of school counselor in an environmental perspective. When we try to describe environment, all the aspects are considered, like the topography, the atmosphere, the whole entity, not only living but non-living things in the environment. All these parts of the environment are interconnected and are dependent on each other and influence each other. The larger environmental system has subsystems in it. Similarly, school is a social structure in itself. It can be said that school is a sample of a society or a miniature society. School also has its own environment. Within the school environment system, there are subsystems like students, classrooms, teachers, administrators, non-teaching fraternity, parents and community at large. And they are all interconnected and interdependent. The subsystems in the school can be looked at independently but cannot exist without each other. The interconnected subsystems of school are officially recognized by the larger school system. A school system which is active, lively, dynamic, balanced and flexible will be healthy and well functioning. The components of the school are mutually dependent. Schools function as a network of these components that are strongly related to each other. The significant aspect of these linked components is that they are under constant change. Yet they are dynamic and sustain the change by maintaining balance. The components of the school, like students, teachers and administrators, clearly are different and distinguished between each other but also are connected strongly. School counselors play a role of a mediator in the school system. A counselor functions as a bridge between these subsystems in a larger school system. Now let us see how a school counselor performs his or her role with the three significant components of the school network. The school counselors and teachers. School counselors' role between teachers and students is of a mediator. Teachers at times may not be able to see and understand what a counselor can see in students. Teachers see the outward behavior of the student and feel that student is problematic, arrogant and awkward, stubborn, etc. And all explanations about that particular student might follow the feel of the teacher. As a counselor can see beyond the behavior seen in the student, they can help teachers to come out of that feel or deconstruct the built-up feeling about the student. Along with this, counselors can assist teachers in their capacity building to carry out their workload of teaching along with designing other classroom activities to keep students active and interested in class. Regular meetings between teachers and counselors will help them to be conscious and aware about the issues and behaviors of students in the classroom and also help teachers to bring about small changes in the class and to give what the students need, such as consideration, rearrangement, rewards, appreciation, etc. This can really make a difference in the teacher-student relationship. Now let us see school counselors and students. One of the significant component in the school system is the student. The school counselor's role with this component is a difficult one. Every student is different. They come from different family and cultural background. They have different needs. Their problems vary, and every student is developing a unique personality. Therefore, it is important that the counselor should be aware of the different needs of different children. The counselor should have multicultural perspective in his role and function. School counselor has to be culturally responsive, try and understand the cultural values that is essential. The counselor should not have a general viewpoint as others have. Like problem students are sent to school counselors for correction, or the aim of a school counselor is to correct the students and produce successful students only. The counselor should be aware that his role is to assist and help students to value themselves, make them capable enough to solve their problems in the present as well as their future problems, meet challenges skillfully, to adjust themselves efficiently to the demands of a better and meaningful life. Now let us see about school counselors and administrators. The role and function of a school counselor to an extent depends on how school administration looks up at them or understands them and their functions. The freedom or rigidity that a school administration places on a school counselor impacts on the performance or the roles carried out by them. If the school administration considers only numbers like how many cases were handled, how many are closed, how many are still on, etc., such processes by the administration severely hinders the role of a school counselor and weakens the optimal functioning of the school counselor. Some of the common roles what a school administration expects a school counselor to function are prepare and plan for different classes, which can be called as scheduling. Be a special educator, work on placements, work on student referrals for outside services, organize tests, prepare standardized programs, be a substitute teacher and discipline students. The major role and function of a school counselor that the administration should understand is that the school counselor is a change agent. The school counselor provides facilities for students to bring about voluntary change, help them achieve desired change, make suitable choice, and make students to develop a sense of responsibility for their own actions and decisions that are made. The administrators should know that school counselors are the one who bring all the components of a school subsystem on one understanding of coexistence, dependence and connectedness. And his process is done with building warmth and understanding relationships. In conclusion, we can see that working in a school as a school counselor is challenging. The role and function of a school counselor is very important and is multitasking as they are enmeshed in the school setting or a school subsystem. School counselor works to bring proper involvement of all the subsystems of school so that very objective of the school is fulfilled and be beneficial for the students. Because without proper integration, interaction and involvement of the various school components, work in school remains unfinished. The school counseling program, if rightly established in schools, it can cater to the evolving needs of the students in the present situation of industrialization and globalization, changes in family systems and social values. The present education system and the need to be competent is loading enormous stress and strain on the students. The presence of a well-trained and skillful school counselor in schools will prevent the increasing problems of stress, behavior, social, emotional, study habits, vocational choices, etc. of students at school and would provide holistic development of the students. Finally, let us just see what do school counselors do in today's school. They design a guidance plan based on the school needs, have individual and group counseling sessions with students, respond to students in crisis, orient students about new trends as well as many new school norms, settings and obligations, work with risk students, especially students with risky classroom behaviors, provide referral services for students in need, analyze the abilities, achievements, interests and needs periodically for follow-up, help to make right choices with regard to school, college and career plans, coordinate with school subsystems and work with parents and family. All these roles and functions of a school counselor will make positive impact in school students' life by boosting their self-confidence, motivation, decision making, problem solving, interpersonal relationships and communication skills as well as respecting self and others and much more. With this, I hope we all have got a concept of role and function of a school counselor. Thank you.